This is 11 Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2018 Kia Sportage, stock number 7266. Strength from the 10th 2015 to the 8th 2021. Has a G4NA 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NA 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory maggot tyre. Front bonnet. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory maggot tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory maggot tyre. Right rear and right front door no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front 18-inch factory maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,